All right, so this is probably one of the cooler things I've have Claude Co-Work doing right now is sending me a morning brief summarizing all of my email. I don't need to check any of my email anymore. It sends me a summary. I'm going to blur this out so you can't see the specifics. Obviously, I don't want you reading my email, but I have this set up where it analyzes my email, all my email forwards to Gmail. It analyzes it every morning and then sends me a morning brief via Telegram text message. So, and then it breaks everything down by needs response, action required, and then FYI. So it basically gives me a whole synopsis. I have it running for the last 24 hours, so I never need to check my email. And if you're busy, if you get a ton of emails and you are behind, I have thousands of emails and I just can never get caught up on it. So this is why this has become next level. So let me show you how to go in and set this up in Claude so you guys know what is going on. All right, so I'm gonna bounce over to Claude. This is the desktop version, so make sure you download this. And then you have three options, the chat, Co-Work, and code. We're gonna work from Co-Work. So if we go to Co-Work, we can go to customize here, connectors, and then you wanna search for Gmail here, and then you want to basically click on Gmail and connect it. So once your Gmail is connected, then you can set up the daily brief for your email. And real quick, if you like automations like this and you want more automations to help you with your Etsy business, I have an entire section inside the classroom in my Etsy games group, AI automations for Etsy. I'm adding ones in here every single week to help you guys out and help you automate your business using AI, using Claude. So make sure you check that out. There's a link below. You can join for as little as $2 a month. Get the Ultimate Etsy Traffic Challenge. It's a fantastic, fun, safe, motivational community to come hang out, learn. That's not going to break the bank. That's not thousands of dollars that you're not going to have to steal your kid's piggy bank to be able to join and stay a part of it. So hope to see you guys in there. So you would go to Co-Work here and then you would give it a prompt. Here's the one that I used to set this up. Let me actually scroll to the top. I'd like to schedule a morning brief of unread emails for the last 24 hours. I need it to be organized by the most important emails that need response, i.e. customer emails or anything else you deem urgent from the context of the emails. Add anything else you think would be helpful or anything else that needs action taken. The goal is to save time and sift through the junk. So it's asking me what time I want it scheduled. So I told it every day at 7, and then basically it's scheduled and created this. So every day at 7, it's going to break everything down. Needs a response, action required, FYI, good to know, filtered out. So it did all this for me. I didn't even have to schedule the task. And then if I scroll down, I told it to run now, and then it sent me the brief here. And then basically I made tweaks to what it gave me. I was like, this stuff is showing action required and it doesn't need any action required. Just ignore it for future emails. This stuff is good. So I made those tweaks. So it basically worked that into the workflow, and then I told it to schedule it. So then if I go over to the scheduler, I can see the morning brief is scheduled. And then basically I can click into it and kind of see the full prompt that it created for me. I didn't create that, it created it for me. So that's something that you can do and tailor it specifically to your needs as far as what you want to do and for your personal email brief. I also then, when I was creating it, I helped it, or I told it that I wanted it to create and send it via Telegram. So then it told me everything to do to set it up in Telegram. It told me to go to the bot father or whatever it's called, create a new chat, and then get the token. And then I drop the token here. So now it sends it, like I already showed you, every morning via Telegram, via text push notification, which is really, really good. Because I don't want to have to go and check Co-Work and check Claude every day. I wanted to send it to my phone. So then, and it also drops in the links to the Gmail emails. So for the ones that need response, it'll include the direct link to that email. So I can pull up the email, read it, and reply right there. Now you can do something crazy. You can have it draft auto replies. It won't send emails for you, but you can have it draft auto replies and put it in the draft folder if you want. You don't have to do it like that. But you can do that, and it's kind of like taking things to the next level. So you can have it learn kind of your brand tone, your style, your voice. You can kind of tailor it and make tweaks to this workflow, which is really, really cool.